So, this is our new chapter. Today we are going to learn about agriculture. This is from class 10, agriculture chapter, and it's completely related to natural geography or physical geography. So, we are going to learn this chapter today. This is a chapter agriculture. It's completely related to economic activities. Before reading the chapter as agriculture, first we have to know about economic activities. If we are dividing the economic activities into 4 or 5 parts, then agriculture is the main part because primary division or primary activities is a part of economic activities. What is primary activity? Primary activities are those kind of activities where the people can utilize the natural resources as well at a free of cost, and they can make a different kind of things, like they can make industries, they can make a lot of things. So that is called primary activities, and agriculture is directly related to primary activities. So now we are going to know about what is agriculture. Before reading the chapter from this line, I would like to say that agriculture is a science and practice of growing crops by the cultivation of the land. It is basically the backbone of the Indian economy, and which comprises the activities like growing pulses, food grains, sugarcane, cotton, jute, oilseeds, etc. So what's written over there that we are going to see? Agriculture is India's primary activity. Those primary activity just now we have learned from which source the primary activity has come to us, and what it's doing, employing nearly 2/3 of the population. It provides the majority of the food we consume and the raw materials for variety of industries. Yes, which I just now informed you that by agriculture, farmers or the producers, they can they can gather a lot of raw materials, and for the raw materials they are making a industry. Come to the next part, which is type of industry. Type of farming. Which kind of farming we can have in our country? Types of farming. In India, farming practices vary according to the physical environment. Yes, first we have to explain this, we have to know this, that from which sources the farming activity has come and which are the favorable factors. This is called the favorable factors. It's very important, it can come in your exam, that favorable factors to make a farming process. Which are the factors? If I am writing over here point wise, the first one is climate, and in this note it's also written, you can see, such as rainfall patterns. Not only, also it will be included the rainfall and temperature. Rainfall, temperature and humidity. These three are the main factors which include in climate point. Okay. Come to the land productivity, that means the fertility of the land. I am writing on my own point. You can also use these points as well as the note you have given. Fertility of land or land productivity. Both are the same meaning. How much the land is productive, that is also needed. Technological advancement, that means high technology or improved technology. Okay, and the last one is socio-cultural practices, that means which kind of cultural practices are happening in this land, that is also important. So what we have learned from this part, the definition of agriculture, from which activities the agriculture part has come to us, and what agriculture basically provides the people, and the type of farming, which kind of farming we can see in our country, and which kind of farming, types of farming we have not learned, but the favorable factors we have learned through which the farming process can be done very easily in our country.